Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do simple pirouette en dedan in the center. The only thing that you're going to need is your flat shoes or demi-point, whatever you call them, put them on, and let's get to it. Pirouette en dedan. I'm going to teach you from fourth position. Bend your front knee, facing diagonal, hands on the waist. Our body weight is going to be equally distributed in between both legs. However, we're going to move slightly forward without lifting your back leg, without lifting toes out of the ground. Next, we are going to think on the movement of our front leg. My front leg is going to move heel forward. Very fast and dynamic. Choop. Next, my back leg, the most important one, is going to move from diagonal battement tendu à la seconde. And goes shoop. Both move together. And next, we're going to add arms coordination. We are in third position arms, same leg, same arm in front. Now we are going to open second position together and close passe together. One more time. Shoop, chop. Now we are going to add a quarter of a turn to establish head coordination too. To begin with, I'm spotting right in front. However, when I add a quarter of a turn, my head is going to face that diagonal in front. And this is how it's going to look like. Shoop, up. And before we do the full pirouette, I'm going to ask you to not stop and then turn. It's going to be impossible to stop there and then try to do a pirouette. There's going to be your energy stopped right there, as well your strength. So what I'm going to ask you, just pass through the movement and keep going with the momentum. Heel up, plie. To learn to do pirouette from fifth position, just check right here or down below in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a ton of link for you how to do your pirouettes, how to improve your ballet technique. So to say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.